Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to see a library tab on YouTube. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up our YouTube mobile application. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to look to the very bottom section of your screen, and from here you should be able to see the following icons, which includes home, shorts, subscriptions, and hue. Now in this case, the U section here, or your profile icon, is usually the library icon that was replaced. Now in this case, when you click on the U section, it would contain any of the information or history or playlist that you would normally see in a library button. Now in this case, you'll be able to see your history, playlist, and a lot more. Now in some cases, if you don't see the library button here or the U button here, there are a few things that you should ensure that you are doing. So one of the things that you should ensure here is you have to ensure that you have the latest updates for the YouTube mobile application. Now in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, look for YouTube, and see if there are any updates on the YouTube application. Now in this case, if there are any updates, make sure to install that, and from there check if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear your cache. So look for the YouTube mobile application here, press and hold on YouTube, go to app info, and from here click on the clear data option and click on clear cache, and just click on OK. Now once you've done that, see if that solves the issue. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.